Good morning, we're back on the Datsun, back on the little Datsun 1000 Ute. Hang on, I've got to shift some lighting so we're not blinding everyone. So, last week, pretty much got that side chassis rail done. I've just got a few welds I've got to grind down. Tis Wednesday. I didn't film anything the last couple of days, but I have been busy, so been on to this side over here. It's it didn't look as bad from the outside, but once I started digging in, it actually got a bit worse than the other side. So just going to go down the pit. On this side, it wasn't as rusty way back here. So as you can see, she's kind of cactus. Kind of thinking I might have to cut the inside floor out, this part here, because I need to get that chassis rail fixed right back from the beginning. So yeah, as you can see, I was saying I didn't think I had to make crush tubes, but then I forgot I've got to bolt the steering to this side as well. I have started making, hang on, I can put that down there. I have started making some panels for this side, as you can see. That is the bit that goes over the top there. So I have made a start. So first port of call is I'm going to cut the inside floor pan out here so I can make this chassis rail the whole way back around, because I've got to be able to flick it around the corner there, and then it gets welded from the inside around the back edge here. Right, that's the plan of attack. I'm going to go as hard as I can today. I want to get a lot done, so I'll probably come back later on in the day and show you where I got to. Righto, now we can get at the back side of the chassis rail, because as you can see it's rusty right down here. So it needs replacing all the way back. Yes, it's a big hole, but it's a flat panel, so that was quite easy to cut out. I was surprised it wasn't spot welded down the back of the chassis rail here though. I will add that in. But yeah, alright, that wasn't too bad. May have to replace this bit up here yet too, but we'll see. See how we go. Okay guys, we're going to wrap the video up here, I think. I'll just show you quickly what I've managed to get done. So this whole chassis rail has been made. Oh, hang on a minute. Just give me 2 seconds while I try and climb out of the pit. Okay. So I've got that whole chassis rail made. It's only clipped in spot with vice grips at the moment. I've also got this brace here made, which goes there somehow. So that's done. So next week when we come back to it, I've got to make the outside skirt, because it was the same as this side, how it was rusty. But as you can see, we're getting there with the chassis rails. So I've still got to make the inner crush tube section for here and for these bolts. That won't take too long, but yeah, I think also I've got to make the front rail as well, which that's dead straight, so that's not hard at all. But by the end of next week, we'll be starting to work on the rest of the rust in other spots. So yeah, that's where we got to. I'm going to sign off now, so you know the drill. Like and subscribe, all that sort of shit, and I'll catch you when I'm looking at you. Bye, guys.